Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you the light box that I made for my Diecast reviews. I used this in the last video, but with not the lighting system that I have. This is my rotary display stand. It's a cheap model. I got it off of eBay for like 20 bucks. I did have a mirror top on it, but the mirror scratched real easy, so I put this black felt on it. I'll probably take out the box to do better videos, but basically I went to a Dollar Tree, picked up a white project board. Didn't really cut it in half, cut it a little bit more than half, folded it over, glued it, and that makes the back, top, and sides of the thing. And here you can see where I put the electric connector for the LED light kit I got, and there are the LED lights. And I'm going to show you how they look lit up in a little bit. Here's the light kit I used. It's a Hit Lights Eclipse kit. It's a very nice kit, multi-colors in the box. And here's the model information numbers if you're looking to pick one of these up. Got it on Amazon. It was around 25 bucks. You get a detailed instruction sheet, and I wish these were a little cheaper. I'd love to have them in my display boxes. You get a lot of stuff. You get clips to hold the wires, and there's connectors in there. Here's the LED strips. You can go, they're red, green, and blue strips, but you can get multicolors out of them. And there was the connector. This is just a little, I got this for Christmas from my sister. It's one of those, Walmart toys that light up, make some noise and stuff. I'm just going to do a quick little display of how it's going to look and the light functions. So here we go, spinning. Here it's going through the different colors, just phasing. Here's just one color, like I'm blinking on and off. Not too much, not too crazy. I really don't know. Here's the single colors. You got red, blue, green, a purplish color, blue, and then this goes through. There's white. This is the one I'm going to use mostly. I do think I'm going to have to install some side lights on it. I don't know if they'll be the same as these. I do have some cheap Harbor Freight lights I might use. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications for when